Hey everybody, Travis Holzem with Food Force Abundance, Minnesota, and just finishing up here on Saturday, May the, what is it, the 13th or something, or 12th, I can't remember. But worked all day today, planting out herb spirals, planting out fruit tree beds or guilds, and also added a border to the herb garden in the front yard to both sides, and then added another layer of bricks so I can add more soil. But I'll plant those out tomorrow. I'm going to come out here for a couple hours and finish those up, and then I only have one thing left. But I finished the herb spirals, and I'll turn you around and you can see what I got so far, or actually they're finished. But and I'll show you what we did in the dwarf fruit tree guilds. Turn you around, here we go. See, if you can see all those big popsicle sticks, there's a name on every one of those. And in a few weeks, when all that stuff starts sprouting up and everything starts growing together, it's going to be an amazing sight. There's 7 of those beds or guilds like that. But here's stealing the show with the herb garden. Everybody looks a little wilted because they're just getting in the ground. But look at that, huh? Isn't that nice? Look at all the herbs. You have thyme, rosemary, lavender, basil, cilantro, sage, chives, parsley, and mint, and they are all growing according to sunlight and water. And same with this herb spiral. It's the same herbs, but planted in a little different order. You got the lavender on top, and rosemary, lavender, and then the thyme, 3 different kinds of sage, 3 different types of thyme, 2 different types of cilantro, or what do you call that stuff? Parsley. Am I missing a parsley? Wow, I am missing a parsley. Look at that. Can't believe I missed it. Anyway, that's that herb spiral, and more of these beds. Here's another bed, and I will get a list of what goes in these, but the comfrey's coming along great. Another bed here, and then all these beds are gonna have wildflowers or nasturtium, marigolds, all different types of medicinal flowers you can make teas with, but they're also going to attract insects and bees, butterflies, birds. Here's another one. And then here is what I was working on, or just finished up. Right here. So I'm going to plant those out. They're both going to be herb gardens with different types of herbs. Sorrel, tarragon, savory. There's some other stuff too. And that's going to get spread out on all these guilds. I'm going to remulch them all. But that's what we did today. And yeah, long day. Time to go make some dinner and go relax for the rest of the night. But grow food, not lawns, my friends. And I'll be back at you tomorrow. Have an amazing Saturday night. See you later. Bye.